congratulations on your wedding day. May the love you share today grow stronger as you grow old together next day.
Congratulations, Zed and Al! Finally, you found each other's happily ever after. Wishing you all the best and years of happiness and many babies!
Congratulations! OMG! Hapit na siya din yung today. I'm so sad na wala ko to witness your wedding sa church chod with the whole family and friends. I'm happy nga finally naabot na jud ni nga day and that you're surrounded by your loved ones. Wala ko kayo sa kaiwan, pero I'm so happy for you. I really love your prenup shoot. Nice jud kayo achieve. Marto, best wishes and love you.
Hi, Alois and Zed. Again, congratulations for the second time on your wedding. To Alois, you've come a long way. It feels like yesterday lang na when we were first here, we were in Ayala eating shrimp kay Gamawi kasi mong love life. But here you are now in love and happy. Sorry I can't be there on your wedding, but know that I will be there in spirit, and I love you guys both, and I hope you guys have a great life ahead. Bye.
Hello, Alois, and hello, Zed. Congratulations on your wedding day. Actually, gikan po mi ni Alois nag-dinner and nag-buy a gift for you. I don't know what's supposed to be a surprise, but yeah, nahatag daw ng gift. So, I think that congratulations would be both an overwhelming and underwhelming greetings for the both of you tonight. I know that if na kayo mag-receive na congratulations, but behind all these congratulations, we celebrate the new chapter of your life. Zed, welcome to the family, welcome to the Hilans family. Welcome to our barkada. As someone I can entrust Alois with, of course, Alois, dili na ka makaingon dali na Kyle o Vaniko, Kyle ako paliton. As you two embark on this journey, I wish you both happiness and strength to face these life's challenges. May you both be reminded to put God at the center. Then, cheers! Cheers, Alois and Zed. Thank you and congratulations. Bye.
Congrats, Alois and Zed.
Hope to see you again here soon.
Congratulations too. And are you gonna have a baby?
Have fun.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Hello po, ako po si Mark po, 21 years old po. Mensahe ko lang po para kay Alois, alias Sosan po. We are happy for you. We are happy that you're getting married with the person that you love. Masaya din po kami na we can see that they really love each other and they're perfect for each other. Sana lang po magbago na po siya kasi po nung college po, bulakbol kasi po si Eloy. Sa aming barkada po, ako lang po yung matino. Sana magbago na po siya. Para kay Zed po, panawagan ko lang na you take care of Elois. And sana po yumaman na ang dalawang mag-asawa po kasi gusto ko lang magpaampun. Pagod na po kasi ako magtrabaho. So in summary po, congratulations to the lovely couple. Merry Christmas and happy birthday.